Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Polo the Don. It's Fergie. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. You say if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
GLAMOROUS, yeah. GLAMOROUS. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, flousy. Yellow, golden, diamond rings, all them things don't mean a thing. Chaperones and limousines, shopping for expensive things. I be on the movie screens, magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine, I'm no queen, I'm no machine. I still go to Taco Bell, drive through raw as hell. I don't care, I'm still real, no matter how many records I sell. After the show, after the Grammys, I like to go cool out with the family, sipping, reminiscing on days when I had a Mustang. And now I'm first class up in the sky, popping champagne.